Hey there. So just out, waiting to see if a couple of friends drop by their home up in a tree. Yeah, I have friends that live in a tree. Doesn't everybody? Come on. But sometimes you gotta wait. That's kind of half the battle, is being in the right place at the right time, of putting yourself in the right place at the right time. And sometimes that means you gotta wait a little while. If you don't have patience, you can get lucky sometimes, but if you don't have patience, you're not gonna see very much. Sometimes you can wait an hour, wait a half an hour, wait 2 hours. Sometimes it's 5 minutes, but that's part of the game. And when they arrive, you got to be ready. So we're playing the waiting game this afternoon. We'll see who wins. I've lost more than I've won, but you still come out and try. Anyway, hope you're having a good day. It's beautiful outside. Get outside.